It's snow toys from Schyulkill River Resin. Oh my!
Let's get ready to rumble! Ladies and gentlemen, welcome.
Welcome to the Iron Horse Route, home of the Denver and Rio Grande Western. This is Brian. I'm glad you're here, and if you're not already a subscriber, I want to encourage you to subscribe, because when you're a subscriber here, you get access to a lot of great model railroad video uploads. And so now that you're subscribed, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video upload, which is coming up right now.
Let's get ready to rumble!
Hey, this is Brian with the Iron Horse Model Railroad, welcoming you to the channel. That's right, we're coming to you with a mail call from Schyulkill River Resin, everybody. You gotta check this out. It's some fantastic snow toys, everybody. You don't want to miss it. Stick around. We want to thank you very much for joining us to check out these Schyulkill River Resin snow toys that Uncle John sent AJ and I. Man, they are fantastic. Check these things out. Over here in the back, you got these salt boxes back here, okay? These are salt boxes. He's got them assorted. I'll show you a better picture of those in a minute. He's got some open, some closed. That's really cool. He's got the two snow plow trucks up front right here with the custom backs to hold the salt and the tools in the back and all that for that. And look at that, these are beautiful. AJ and I can't wait to paint them and get them on the layout. But look, let me swing around here. We've got a Jeep Cherokee right here, everybody, with a trailer on the back that holds snowmobiles. You see the snowmobile Uncle John printed us? Look how cool that is for up there at Winter Park. And look at the four-wheeler beside it, everybody. Then we got a tow truck. We got trailers for the four-wheelers and the snowmobiles. Look how cool this stuff is right here, everybody. AJ, come in here and check this stuff out. Look at this, man. And look at these salt boxes here. You got a closed one, you got one open, and then you got a double that's open. My understanding is the pink Himalayan salt in there with a little bit of Mod Podge will look just perfect and fantastic. Look at the detail on those wheels and these boxes, everybody. We are very pleased to have these amazing models from Schyulkill River Resin. We can't thank Uncle John enough.
My favorite of all of these are the four-wheelers and the snowmobiles. Thank you, Uncle John, for singing all of these. Thank you so much.
All right, just to give you some perspective, we got these guys down here on Shakedown Street just to show you what they look like, give you a good look. Look fantastic. We just can't thank you enough, John. We are chomping at the bit. We're gonna have to take our time though and paint these carefully because they are small, but man, they are pretty. If you would, let's please leave John a comment below and let him know what we think about these things, everybody. If you don't mind, I'd appreciate it if you smash the thumbs up. And if you were not already a subscriber, I want to encourage you to subscribe. Click the bell icon. Don't forget to share this with your other modeling friends. This is Brian from the Iron Horse Model Railroad coming to you from my layout, showing you some Schyulkill River Resin snow toys that Uncle John was kind enough to send us. Thank you very much, John. We sure do appreciate you.